Is it 26 for 24 42 correct?
Yeah. All my reveal.
No.
No. So it means that
But in say
we can't trust the office.
Yura Kofi Amabu and so I'm making a clear say the AG Mfanya Mangwakwam in repealing it. Yes, sir.
The president, as your president, no, or to me say, obeti me repealing law. No what check parliament say, my repealing this law, entimu mon council. The president has that power. And to say, more political will some solve problem now. Can the president should have repealed the law? No, they are called parliament. A man who crime, a man who crime. If today we are telling us, president at parliament or recess, and when are we going to wait? That's what I'm going to say. We're fighting Galam said that 2016, 2012 to 2016. And the near expect to say, I better go this way. Because when persuasion fails, force must be applied. This is the time where we need to use force.
And declaring of state of emergency, no, and no, and I had the last option.
I was now. Maybe I believe
that
declare state of emergency.
Is that the last option?
That is it. If the people fail, we bomb them.
Which is the state of emergency and your last option. Bombing is also an option that you have also suggested here.
That's what I'm saying. That
so
we should declare. No, I was
yes, sir.
The mechanic say, you declare state of emergency. Then we start bombing them. You can say state of emergency the last resort. The bombing is the last resort. But within 24 hours, you declare state of emergency. Not only free what ya, I could see Bible said your secano no. It's yet to mean I'm a few people, almost 32 million Ghanaians, because of their selfish interest, because of their stomach, because of their family, and the ordinary Ghanaian, or no can only seek out the hospital. No. And suffer. If the government is having the political will to solve Galamseya, I was obetimia solve, and we need to do it now or never.
And I pay that.
Kwame
Zefa from Poya Kazama from my National Association of Concerned Clergy. Woman so ekrata obode ba montin emunsem ada meneno edi enkomo. But we're doing our possible best to have him online. The communication director, MPP, Western North Region. Woman so press statement obode ba montin then ye nyina yahwe ne yehunu nia woman so eka ne nia niema esi ekro. Yebedi nkomo edi afa eno so ho na Woma Sama Womo Eka, Womo press statement or Ediba, NPP, Western North Region. I say on September 10, 2025. Asema a woman yina NSA. John Dramani Mahama, the president, stood before the press and the people of Ghana when asked about the Galamsey menace that is destroying our nation. His response was nothing short of a betrayal. He refused to declare a state of emergency, claiming that existing laws are enough, even as our rivers turn to poison, our forest reserves vanish, and our cocoa industry faces collapse. But the Ghanaians must remember. What should Ghanaians remember? No, and so ensema womo edi ebegu edwaso a yebedi ni nyina mu enkomo enne anape awodwumede sunti we doing our possible best. Say Sabeka the communication director, NPP, Western North Region. Yenua Bema Harry Yaw Ado na yene ono so edi nkomo no yebisa no ne enti a womo ehu ne say nia His Excellency eye betrayal no yebedi enkomo edi afa nti mo afidi no ha Liberty 92.7 FM. Ye frame kwisi foku kodom Kayaso anape memwache ema akwaba re mum yemfa aseda emfa ema Melije Hotel and Event Center womo said this time a big and large ni nyina ene say womo de super mega jams from kukra ehihye so ewo Melije Hotel and Event Center ama school mofra a womo awie SS. The SS graduates, this time there it is for you. On the 21st of September 2025, was a come let's party together. A Sunday night, and the all road leads to Melije Hotel and Event Center, Ewo Ponikrom 0541 1124 68. Echemubi apabiano. Fre na ofra ombeje so na nko obi a ho so mo no ade mara mfi se wo yokuani na wotimi nka na pay Born Agro Limited wo mo na akwakofa ohye wira ade aba ye de eko ewira bia abawafuom wotimi nkan ewira no baako nya hawo pa no ma wonsanka major 3 in 1 wayside ye de fight different kind of wheats ewo afuo bia mu se wafuo no se ewura no etesai na aba behye mu ma se ya burufuo nko ade a ene me kanfo major de ama major ema obi biara oye burufuo sara nso so ena ne ono nso bayirefuo banchifuo abrobe kakaduro ena afi ahwedefuo a ewura ahye mu ma no Born Diron ena ye de A2 ase enuro abuso ewo dwa so wo mo amkofa baaye Born Agro Limited call maso ye wonsa ebeka wo mo niema na nyina bia na abefre wo mo 0246 519012 0246 519012 ofra wo mo ebeje so na enkomo bia ho bia nso no wo mo ene wo adi ema remfi se bet way influencer wo mo ese wo hihye wo bet na wo hihye wo bet na wo hihye wie na watwa wie no na wo de wo bet no so atum wo de tuma wo code no dodo no befa na wo agina wo code se adwuma na wo ye no enema ekofo wo hia sika ede ahyem ana wo hia sika ede abie adwuma foforo wo de bills makes it happen and we will make it happen for you and once bills microcredit ye nji collateral ye nka just be deposit ye nka just be tususu na sika den konkoduru ba bia sika na ye hia ene wo Ghana card and nti wunya ate bills microcredit na obia age so na ehia ene wo Ghana card wherever you are whatever you need bills makes it happen and to call bills microcredit today 0596920833 and 0302200390 and get started. But remember, terms and conditions apply. Woman in a boy chidom at the Jumadi at the Ebro. Maybe see ya near to our uncommon. Also.
Bra na ohwe enra wo bayi pon school a wo ba mi hia no na no ne brofo are we hin ta 76
wo de wo mfifi mu hima bi bia abeso hu smart effort college for that room
sir smart effort college eno so the school bay
no kre school a omo kira de pa na omo je adusuafo free crèche 1 year ekwapem class 4 akadia ne niam bia omo de kira de no school yi wo bi achechefo no so abinye pa yo omo akoda no ho adade a omo de kira omo de na omo ne so de hu ne say basic school no on betra akoda na de amo ma miti Montessori standard
sensira enti na oba yaw na no ne brofo edesa no rabofi school yi de ayem akono binya yanka me ben so beko bio
tobo omo school fees so da form pa
me dadin kase pa ye me ba panyin no se wasi so hwe no wantwa o na me ye ne den
wo haw no anu yi ane smart effort college omo ya wasi remedial classes
oh sir
ai omo sa ya vacation classes ema SHS students
matia sem de bo me kire bu yi
na de won biem ene say omo ya wasi programs ahodo ni nyina bi general arts business general science visual arts home science and afa technical and this am say sawodo ba ekọ smart effort college a akra ne A's and the B's re there is assured e ho no o fa akra ne nko e ma ne konya C's akopem F9 da
atia bisane asem na mpa.
Me nua ba asem dane say school you were boarding, hostel, Emma was see candidates and a basic school for ni nyina. Almost sign work car, e fa basic school for no, e free sa hwehwe so dwuna sempa cheva say nyina.
Mr. Obuame, school you no ma chiri kwan we hen.
Wo be hunu school yi mienu nyina wo. Sa hwehwe so so makrom enkane ba bia na Grace Preparatory School no wona hwa. Wo betimi afre school mpainfo e wa homatrofo yi so 0245 191829 and 0531 305451.
Smart Effort College and just be smart.
And we will put in our effort.
All right, I'll sit baby aso apeke. Na ma yensan enkwa homa so na yene the communication director Emma NPP Western North Region Harry Yao Ado dodo na friend Ojaba ending commander pay. Madam friend danger diabolical man. Harry, good morning.
Good morning. The best interesting of.
So yes. Then you know what yes.
The talent is there.
Okay. Thank you. Now, Harry, mo press statement amodiaba mountain so enra. Mo say President Mahama has betrayed Ghanaians on Galamsey, a clear abandonment of the people's trust. Sure. And I continue to read. It says, on September 10, 2025, President John Dramani Mahama stood before the press and the people of Ghana when asked about the Galamsey or the Galamsey menace that is destroying our nation. His response was nothing short of a betrayal. He refused to declare a state of emergency, claiming that existing laws are enough, even as our rivers tend to poison, our forest reserves vanish, and our cocoa industry faces collapse. Is it a matter saying here, President Eka, you know, and what should the abo wania to free say won't tiasi and I say a dempa?
Yeah, your mouth to me as your man anymore. Once a man, okay, a man, and don't want to be to the show, son. Yeah, true. The other one, okay, you know, ever be able to friend is a social cabinet, and a criminal, apam, only a year, come on, walk on my anymore. Aye, it is on the 7th December, you play a part as citizens. Yeah, two about Eddie Mawa. Yes, but it's you also can, you know, and it don't show, you know, what did they do? Yeah, and no, Chiana or Cassa, why you can say, Ama, ye Cassa, what that Ghana for, and why the biggest person in our history, Adeakyia, yeah, because we did Nama, and he said, okay, on the 20th of November, 2024, Tama Oshia, ye carry bishops. Or make it a strong case for Galamsey. And then they just want to suffer in that time. Okay, they can hear. Also, trade union Congress. Any other groups now, or more air casa say, abandon in the clear state of emergency. Or support to Chimami. Or support to trade union Congress at that time. Agitation, someone away demonstration, or man being the state of emergency. Or say, or support to. Now, didn't support to me. Or see, you. European Union. I try to say, you go, you go, you go, you have some Galamsey, be a woman. Any fire, and say, I have a yes, and you go, and Germany, and call a UK, and call a EU countries, not a big. You want to be my kind of know. Your second, you say, Ghana, what? That's what I try to say, Galamsey, and say, yeah. It is a tip useful and a tip in life. And it was supposed to say a state of emergency, Oba, Obitu Panamo. That's what he said. Second one, Osaka said, the usual old method, after Galamsey, and a year and man or mono, after Galamsey so many years here, you and put to be a woman. And it's on the Oba, Obey introduced me and say, AI. your panel artificial intelligence. Now, and no, it is here when you that. No, or the fight that I'm saying. The those who say, the share your ball, and my so putting your bomb on someone in you. Or see, I'm not going to excavators, but obeying. Now, over the bar, I'm going to pay that I'm saying. Therefore, obey my opinion. About the importation of a excavator.